Hi guys, I don't really like talking, which is why I'm gonna name the video a seafood mukbang slash boil. Don't mind this. I got water on my shirt. Baby girl's right there, so we'll just get to eating. Got shrimp, sausage, corn, eggs. Got Coke to drink. It's so good. And I made it a little spicy. Got corn stuck in my teeth. And I just prepared all of this just now. I was gonna get some water, but I ain't got nothing in the refrigerator. And I do not like drinking room temperature water. It has to be cold. Or if it's like room temperature, Room temperature. It has to be like a little like cool, not warm or hot. You can see my little Christmas tree over there. It's because this whole back part is a mirror. It's actually over there. I wish I had me some potatoes. Forgot to buy me some. And I already had the shrimp and the corn and stuff. Just sitting right in the freezer. I should have made some extra sauce, but I hadn't ran out of butter, so I went on and made the sauce. While I was cooking it, well, making the sauce, while I was making the shrimp, I just put the sauce over the shrimp, let the shrimp cook in it. And then when the shrimp was done, the rest of the juice, just poured it over everything else. I got a little Old Bay and stuff on my corn with that sauce. So good. And lemon juice. I'm full already. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna get a few more shrimp, this last egg, and call it a wrap. Start my new job on Tuesday. Mama. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I do truly apologize that I couldn't eat the whole thing. I obviously a lot of mukbangers eat the whole tray of food, but I just made a lot to like get a good thumbnail. If you like my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified every time I post. If you want to see more mukbangs, seafood boils, just let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to my family channel at the Centennial Reavers, where you will see my husband and my child and us vlogging a lot. I actually have to film and edit some videos I already have now, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more videos on this channel. But like I said, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Digits on the beat.